Hi friends! Today we are going to jump back to Halloween and look at spooky fried ice cream from Slime Sweet Pea. This is a slime that I got from a fellow slime reviewer and friend, and it is a Snow Fizz scented warm creamed vanilla ice cream, and musk. I have never tried one of Sweet Pea's fried ice creams before, so I was very excited to get to try one. I have been told that they are very tightly packed Snow Fizz, and you have to warm them up a little bit before you get the full impact. So I did go ahead and try to do that, stretched it out a little bit, and they were right. It is very tightly packed, and I love the way the black looks in a Snow Fizz. It's really cool. But I really enjoyed this slime. It smells really nice. It smells like vanilla, icing or vanilla cake. Really nice scent, not too overpowering or sweet. The ASMR is as good as, most Snow Fizzes usually are. I enjoyed this because it's got a good resistance, so when you stretch it or pull it, it doesn't fall apart like some looser Snow Fizzes do. So yeah, I really enjoyed this, and now I'll be quiet so you can hear all the crunchy crispities. Thank you so much to my slime friend for gifting me this slime. I really enjoyed it.